number system. Real numbers, their decimal representation. Now real numbers, we see when you write a decimal representation of any number, suppose it is a rational number, for example 10 upon 3. This can be written as 3.333 dash dash dash. This is not coming to an end. It is called non-terminating because it is not coming to an end. It doesn't have any end. So it is non-terminating. It can be written as 0.3 bar. This is called as non-terminating decimal representation. 7 upon 8 is equal to 0.875, that is terminating. 0.7, so 1 upon 7 can be written as 0.142875, again 142875, again 124875. Like this way you will get this kind of representation. So this number can be written as 0.142875 bar. So we come to a conclusion that whenever we write a decimal representation of any real number, that is any rational number, then it can be either of non-terminating or terminating. This is non-terminating, not coming to an end. This is not coming to an end, so it is non-terminating, and this is also non-terminating. This one is terminating because it comes to an end. So whenever we write the decimal representation of any number, then it is either terminating or non-terminating. So real numbers, they can be of the form terminating or non-terminating. Next we have pi. You know this value pi, this number pi. Generally we have used this pi in geometry for calculating the area of circles. The area of circle is pi r square, and we have used the value of pi as 22/7. Now actually the area, whenever we calculate pi, we use this formula. Pi is equal to circumference of circle upon diameter. C stands for circumference of circle and D stands for diameter. Whenever we draw a circle, and draw its diameter, so circumference means you start from here, move here, whole distance, complete round, and come back to the same place. So to calculate the circumference, you divide it into small regions. You can use threads also, thread, and then put it here, and then keep it, put it on this circular path, and then calculate the circumference of the circle. And then you measure this diameter of the circle. So this is the circumference, and this is the diameter. When circumference of a circle is divided by diameter and the value is calculated up to large numbers, large limits, it has been done by supercomputers, and it was found that even after doing this calculation up to 10,000 places of decimal, 10,000 decimal places, it was found that the value of pi, that is circumference upon diameter, was neither terminating, it was not coming to an end like this way. It was not coming to an end. It doesn't come to an end. Neither terminating nor repeating. Repeating means the same thing was not repeated, as in this case. 142875. Again there was 12875. Like this 12857. and so on. 12857 is repeated, so it is neither terminating neither of this form, neither of this form, neither of this form. So this is when you divide circumference of circle by the diameter of the circle, the value you get is 3.14 dash 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 dash. When it was done up by supercomputers up to 10,000 decimal places, then the value was neither coming to an end, neither it was terminating, neither it was coming to an end, nor anything was repeated. This means it is neither terminating decimal representation nor non-terminating decimal representation. So neither terminating nor non-terminating, both ways it doesn't fall. This means pi is not considered, pi is not a rational number. Pi is not a rational number. Therefore, what is pi? Pi is considered as an irrational number. Pi is irrational.